In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily descale your shower head. All you need is vinegar. I'm pretty sure you know the situation when the shower head is very calcified. On the one hand, this does not look very nice, but on the other hand, it also has a consequence that the water jet splashes in all directions. In addition, the water pressure decreases. However, this does not mean that your shower head is broken, but only calcified. The nozzles are clogged, some of them are completely tight and others are half clogged, causing the water to splash in all directions. You can easily solve this problem with some vinegar. It does not matter whether you have a rain shower head or a standard shower head. All you have to do is unscrew your shower head. Then you have to prepare a bowl in which you can put your shower head in. Next, put enough vinegar in the bowl to completely cover the nozzles of the shower head. By the way, this is regular blackboard vinegar, which you can buy in any supermarket. You can simply pour it into the bowl and then put your shower head into it. The nozzles should be completely covered with vinegar as already mentioned. Now you let it stay in the vinegar at least overnight, 12 hours, or in case of strong calcification for 24 hours. When this time is over, you can take the shower head out of the vinegar, rinse the shower head off and then dry the nozzles. Now, you only have to screw the shower head back on and it should work perfectly again. Here you can see how wonderfully this trick works. If your shower head was also heavily calcified and you were able to descale it with this little trick, I would be very happy to get a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment how it worked for you or if you found a better method. And if you don't want to miss another video, please subscribe to this channel.